10, 11, and 12, we are finding the next terms of our geometric sequence. For a geometric sequence, we are either multiplying or dividing by the same number. So if I have -7, -14, and -28, to get from -7 to -14, I times by 2. -14 to -28, again I times by 2. So to find my next two terms, I'm going to times 2 and times 2 again. Just to make it a little easier, I'm going to grab my calculator, if I can find my calculator. Oh, let's use this one. Don't know where I put my other one. So, -28 times 2 would give me -56. And if I times that by 2, I get -112. So -56 and -112, the next two terms in that geometric sequence. For number 11, I have 10, then -40, then +160. To get from 10 to -40, I would have to multiply by a -4. If I take -40 times another -4, negative times a negative makes that a +160. So again, for my next two terms, I'm going to multiply by -4. So 160 times -4 would give me -640. If I times by -4 again, I get a positive 2,560. So -640 and positive 2,560 would be the next two terms in my geometric sequence. On number 12, you can see our values are getting smaller instead of bigger. So I'm either multiplying by a fraction or I'm just thinking of it as dividing. If I take 243 and divide it by 3, I get 81. So I'm dividing by 3 each time, or multiplying by 1/3 would be the same thing. So if I have -243, -81, -27, and I want to find my next two terms. If I divide by 3, I get -81. -81 divided by 3 is -27. -27 divided by 3 would be -9. -9 divided by 3 would be -3. So -9 and -3 are the next two terms in my sequence. So a geometric sequence, you're either multiplying or dividing by the same number.